and welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa-Welly. I'm a registered nutritionist, a wellness coach, and a Pilates teacher. And today we are going to be talking about fatigue, the reasons why you're constantly tired and what you can do about it. Now, one of the biggest complaints I get in my clinic with my nutrition clients is I'm fatigued, I'm so exhausted all the time, it doesn't matter what I do, I've tried everything. Have you tried everything? I'm constantly tired, and I believe the GPs, the doctors as well, at least here in London, they get a lot of that complaint as well. Sometimes, not always, it is a lack of iron or certain deficiencies, but a lot of the time, there are just things we can, work around and you know what I mean, like improve. So the first one of those things is sleep. And that's probably the biggest reason why we are tired. We either go to bed too late, we don't sleep properly, the quality of our sleep is not that great, we wake up in the night. Basically, we struggle with insomnia, whether it's like a deep and serious insomnia or more light, it doesn't matter, it takes a little bit for your sleep to be affected. And a lot of the time when you are lacking sleep, a good quality sleep, you're gonna feel tired, you're gonna have sugar cravings, you are gonna feel grumpy. Like, do you know what I mean? So make sure you're optimizing the quality of your sleep. So what are you eating in the day, right? Because one of the big reasons as well why you don't sleep well is your blood sugar level, is your blood sugar balanced, right? Where are you with that, right? So check what you're eating in the day, what you're eating in the evening. How's your bedroom? Is it optimized? Is it a friendly environment for sleep? Do you know what I mean? So all these things. Number 2, dehydration. We do not drink enough water, and I think the goal is to drink 1.5 liters. I like to recommend and suggest my client drink at least 2 liters of water, especially if they work out, if they move through the day. 2 liters is a good amount. One of my biggest and best tip that I use myself, and I know when I miss this, I'm like, damn it, is to drink 1/2 liter of water in the morning when I wake up, right? Wake up, I soak my mouth out, oil pulling, all of that, and then boom, I get to the kitchen, I down 1/2 liter of water. It is so important. What it does, it hydrates your body actually, because essentially you've been sleeping, so you've been fasting in a way, but you haven't drunk anything for hours and hours. So important to rehydrate the body. It's gonna make you feel awake, it's gonna support your energy, and also it's gonna stimulate your first bowel movement. And then throughout the day, make sure you have a bottle of water on your desk, like something really bright. And if you really forget all the time, just put the freaking alarm on. You know what I mean? Like put the alarm on 3 or 4 in the day and bzz, water. Don't skip it. Just pick up the water and just and just down it. So we talked about sleep, we talked about hydration. Number 3. Third reasons why a lot of you are possibly tired, and definitely a lot of my clients are, it's a low nutrient diet. The quality of your food is not fueling your body. You're not eating to fuel, to nourish your body. You're eating to eat. Because you love the food, or, but eat to fuel your body. Think, is this gonna make my body tired? Is it gonna make my body work harder? Or is this gonna fuel my body? Am I gonna get tons of energy after this meal? And one of the tips, and I always say this, and I think I've said this before here on another video, is once you finish your meal, you're either going, you got that thing, or you're going, oh my God, I just wanna have a nap. You shouldn't be wanting to have a nap. That's like a blood sugar. When you eat an hour or 2 after you wanna sleep, all right, so do you know what I mean? So have a look at your meals, make sure your meals are balanced or wholesome. You're having a lot of natural, delicious ingredients, your legumes, your nuts, your seeds, oh my God, all the goodness, fruit, vegetables, complex carbs, sweet potatoes, like so many good things. Make sure you have balanced and healthy and delicious meals, of course. So sleep, dehydration, low nutrient diet. Number 4, and it's a hard one, this one, emotional wellness. And I think that's the hardest one to sort of work around, because I really deeply think that sometimes when we are emotionally stressed, emotionally challenged by things that it's just life, maybe we are grieving something, a relationship, a person, it's hard and it taxes our body. But I think my only tip that I know and I can really share with you is to, as much as you can, try to lean onto someone else, to friends, talk, about it. Offload your feelings. Don't keep everything in, don't bottle everything in, because it is eating us inside, right? So try to offload that and lean on to friends. So that was number 4. Number 5, the hustle. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler. And I should sing that because I'm a freaking hustler, or I used to be. I've calmed down now. And this is especially for the self-employed amongst you, because you know what it is like. We've got a job and we're like, oh my God, yeah, let me take this because I don't know when the next job is gonna come in. Do you know what I mean? Like, let me take this. And sometimes we take on way too much. And the question I wanna say to you, I want you to ask yourself is, when you take another job offer, and you're thinking, let me add more to my tab, to my to-do list, let me do this extra thing. Ask yourself, how much is this costing me really? Like health-wise, what am I pushing here? Am I staying up 2 hours late for, like, is it like, what is this costing me? Is this worth it? Is it really worth it? And I know we need to make our coins. I know we are ambitious. You know, we've got dreams, we've got goals, and we're going there, we want to smash it. And I'll be the first one to tell you, I'm a goal setter, I'm a goal getter. I'm like, yes, I want that, I'm gonna get it. But sometimes I need to, do you know what I mean? I need to put a foot off the gas and be like, okay, girl, like, you're on the verge of a nervous breakdown. It's all good to eat well, to drink the water, and to be like, do you know what I mean? But really, how much rest are you getting? How much stillness? Find stillness, relax, find those moments through the day, at the weekends, to just do nothing. And it's the hardest thing. It's something I struggle with, and I have to be completely honest with you. I'm still working on that. All right, number 6, physical activity. Too much or too little? Too much is stress to your body. And again, I see this a lot with my clients, especially in my coaching program, in my 3-month coaching program. I see this a lot if we're working on weight loss with a client and they are just working hard, bam, like, do you know what I mean? Like, they're doing like a run, and then every day, and then the boxing class and some hate situation. And I'm like, damn, girl, that's a lot. You know what I mean? Like, chill, relax. And what happens, by the way, with that is that your body is looking at you and thinking, and this is true, right? It's the science. Your body's thinking, she's going mad. I'm gonna hold on to the fat. This is looking scary. I'm gonna protect her. I'm gonna hold on to the fat, right? So a lot of people are trying to lose weight, overdoing it in the fitness room. Weight loss a lot happen in the kitchen anyway. So don't work out too hard, because that's, again, is creating fatigue, and it's a stress, it's physical stress on your body. Just find the right middle. But equally, if you don't do anything, you'll also be fatigued, right? To find the right balance, I say 5 days a week, 30 to 45 minutes, medium intensity is good, it's great. You know, the idea is to keep moving your body. We're not trying to be like the next Serena Williams here, unless you are. Right? We want to stay fit. We just want to make sure we're healthy and fit. Do you know what I mean? So be realistic with your workout routine. Okay, so that was number 6. What's the last one? The last one, oh, I can see everybody coming out for me. This one. Oh my God. The last one is too much coffee. I think, do you know what? Too much coffee and sleep are the things I fight, not like fight, but you know what I mean, like fight the most with my clients in the coaching program. Because when we get to the sleep situation and I'm like, okay, how was your sleep like? Okay, let's work on your sleep routine and things like that. It's a big one in my coaching program. Do you know what I mean? Like, they are always like, no, I'm fine. And I'm like, we need to sort out the coffee and everything. But the reality is, and I swear, I promise you, I've never reduced someone's coffee and it didn't have an impact. Usually it improves their energy levels pretty much straight away. They sleep better. They sleep so much better, they're like, oh my God, I thought I was sleeping okay, but oh, I slept like a baby. And I'm like, and they have less gut issues. A lot of people that have gut inflammations and keep drinking coffee, they're just adding fire, do you know what I mean, to an open wound. So anyway, and science back this up, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Check it out to the actual blog post I've written about this, and I give you step by step, right, tips on how to improve all these things, whether it's like your sleep, like all of it is there. So please go read it, grab your notebook, and let's get you some energy. But science will tell you coffee does impact your sleep levels, does impact your cravings, it impacts a lot. It's not bad because it also has great things, especially for your cognitive functions, but it depends when you have it. It's about having it at the right time and not having too much of it. So make sure you're not having your coffee first thing in the morning, and especially if you're relying on it to stimulate your bowel movement, you're cheating on your body, because your body can stimulate itself on its own, right? So make sure you've passed your first bowel, you've had your first meal, and then you have your coffee, do you know what I mean? And have it before 3 p.m., right? So it doesn't disturb your circadian rhythm. Have it before 3 p.m., so between 10 and 3, something like that. And don't have too much of it. And if you want some replacement, check the article as well in the link in my bio. You also have dandelion coffee, which I forgot to put in there. But I've put some options and a step-by-step to help you reduce coffee. So that voila, 7 reasons why you're tired: sleep, dehydration, a low nutrient diet, emotional stress, being too busy, hustling, doing too much, adding on too much, lack of or too much physical activity. What do we have there? And the last one, too much coffee. Et voila, let me know in the comment. I'd love to hear from you. Can you resonate with any of these? Does it, does it mean anything to you? Do you get super tired and wonder why? I know that when I shared this on Instagram, everybody was like, oh my God, I want to tick all the boxes, it's me. And I know. I used to do a lot of these. Mine is emotional stress for now, but I'd love to hear from you. So please let me know in the comments. And I've got a productivity guide for you where you can get recipes and tips to help you gain some energy, because you, my beautiful girl, you need energy so you can go for your dreams and feel fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and to share. So much love. Thank you. Bisous.